Did you know in Las Vegas there's not one but two Hello Kitty cafes? Today we're going to be visiting both of them and seeing the difference between the two. Stick around until the end to see which one we think is best.
The first cafe is located in an outdoor area called The Park, which is right outside of New York, and Park MGM. It has outdoor seating and a great spot to take photos. There is even a kiosk nearby selling lots of Sanrio items.
We're gonna go check out the menu and see all of the items that they have for sale. Let's go!
The menu consists of various hot and cold drinks, including lemonades, teas, and coffee, as well as sweet treats like cookies and ice cream.
I met a couple of new fans and we're gonna open some mystery boxes. I hope I get Pompompurin.
I hope I get Tuxedo.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, open! I got Kuromi!
I got Tuxedo.
Yay! Oh, they're so cute! It was really nice to meet both of you. Have a really good rest of your day and enjoy your little...
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe. We ended up ordering a strawberry lychee slushie as well as a blueberry lemonade. We're gonna do a quick taste test.
They were both really good, but I liked the slushie a little better.
Now that we've had a couple of drinks, we are gonna go head to the second location to check it out and see what the differences are. But first, we're gonna head over to the kiosk and get ourselves a little Hello Kitty souvenir. I decided to get this cute Cinnamoroll!
The second cafe is located inside the Fashion Show Mall near Treasure Island and the Wynn. The decor is so cute, even the tables and trash cans are adorable. The menu is almost identical to the other one, except for the ice cream selection.
So we have the strawberry milk tea with almond milk for me, and then we also have a strawberry Hello Kitty pastry that my cameraman is going to try. They used to have a vegan cupcake on their menu, but it got discontinued, unfortunately. One thing to note is that this location was out of a lot of their pastries, and I did read that you should get here early in the day if there is a specific menu item that you want to try.
What?
I definitely like the drinks that we got earlier better. I would much prefer the slush or one of the lemonades over this milk tea, but there's different flavors. Maybe I just don't like the strawberry one. It is really cute though. My cameraman is now trying the strawberry pastry. This is the Hello Kitty strawberry pastry. It is one of the few pastries they had left available. So we got 2 thumbs up on the pastry.